I'm Dan with WTI, and let me tell you why I absolutely love my light box. First of all, this light box is extremely lightweight and super thin, which means it is easy to store. No longer those 2-inch thick light boxes of the past. It has a wonderful large surface, which is 11 3/4 by 14 1/4, which is a huge area for you to work with. Not only that, this light box has different levels of light, so you can go to a very low level all the way up to a bright. I absolutely love this light box. It's easy to put away and pull out, and that's my point of view.